The story of ANZLOUG scented candles originates from an ancient legend. It is said that in distant ancient times, there was a young man named Andrew living in a town full of magic and miracles. He was fascinated by the beauty and mystery of the natural world and was particularly interested in the allure of incense. Through continuous learning and exploration, Andrew mastered the art of making scented candles. Knowing the power of scented candles to heal and calm the soul, he decided to share this wonderful art with the world. The name ANZLOUG was coined by Andrew. He combined his name with the three words of sunshine, life and blessing in the town, expressing his pursuit of life and happiness. He hopes that every ANZLOUG scented candle can make people feel the warmth of the sun, the vitality of life and the peace of blessing. ANZLOUG scented candles use Andrew's inherited craftsmanship and pure natural materials. Each candle is made from pure natural beeswax and vegetable oils, with carefully developed fragrances and essential oils to achieve the best aroma and burning effect. Andrew believes that only candles made with care can truly bring people comfort, tranquility, and pleasure. The story of ANZLOUG scented candles has been passed down to this day and has become a popular brand around the world. Whether for yourself or as a gift, ANZLOUG scented candles can bring people an experience of warmth, comfort, and tranquility. They help people relieve stress, relax, create a unique atmosphere, and improve the quality of life. ANZLOUG hopes that people can reconnect with the power of nature and find inspiration and balance in their daily lives through ANZLOUG scented candles. Will you like this candle? Please leave me a message, help me light up the little red heart, and follow my channel. Thank you very much for your support.